Ms. Rupa Katar ma'am to have this craft.
Claps, go. Next.
Your presence truly adds grace and values to our celebration. We are deeply honored to have you with us.
A symbol of growth, respect and gratitude towards nature. Now we began today's program with a planned watering ceremony.
We kindly request our guests to come forward and do the honors by watering the plant.
Thank you, claps, go.
Sir, ఇక్కడ వచ్చి.
Thank you, dear guests, for gracing this beautiful moment.
And now let the Scarf Day celebration officially begin.
So, do you know what day is today?
Of course, it's Scarf Day, a day that celebrates the power of simple piece of cloth wrapped in elegance, tradition and meaning.
Scarves are not just fashion, they are symbol of culture, identity and even service.
Let's wrap ourselves in knowledge, creativity today.
Spirit of this special day. Today we are celebrating the enduring legacy of
science and let them serve as a beacon of hope and positive change in our communities. Thank you for joining us today. Let's make this a memorable day for celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Danya and Sarika, for your warm and graceful welcome. Your words have truly set a beautiful tone for today's event. Now, let's call upon Naina and Aishwarya of grade 9A to give a speech on Scarf Day celebration.
Now, I request the guides to present.
myself DS Naina.
Myself, Aishwarya.
We are here to speak a few words about the World Scarf Day. World Scarf Day is celebrated on August 1st every year. It was first celebrated on 2007.
The purpose to celebrate Scarf Day is to commemorate the first Scout camp on Brownsea Island in 1907 and to celebrate the Scouting movement.
Once a scout,
Always a Scout. Thank you.
thanks.
Today we are celebrating World Scout Day. So happy World Scout Day to one and all present here. The day observed every year on August 1. It was made us to this mark the anniversary of the first experiment held on Brownsea Island, which was in 1907. Former UK Army General Lord Robert Baden-Powell in 1907 gathered 20 students from different backgrounds on Brownsea Island. With these 20 boys, he began an experiment that would go on to change lives of millions of
This task, we are reminded that we belong to a large global family of Scout and Guides who are always ready to help others and serve society. This task teaches us discipline and every time we wear it. It reminds us of our promise to be honest, helpful, obedient and kind. It also reminds us of the Scout and Guide movement, representing the Scout or Guide promise. Wearing the scarf on this day forges a sense of community and unity among Scouts and Guides and people. It brings Scouting and Guiding to the forefront, raising awareness about the movements, principles, activities, and positive influence on
Also symbolizes the practical skills and life lessons that Scout or Guide learn, like snorting, first aid, and outdoor skills. World Scout Day also celebrates life Scout or Guide to express their practice in being a person. I'm Sara. I'm Nikita.
and I am Madhura.
Today we are going to speak about a very important part of first aid, bandages. In Scouts and Guides, we learn how to help others in times of need. And knowing about these various types of bandages is the best part of that. There are 6 types of bandages. Roller bandage. This is strip that we roll around the part of body like the arm or leg. It helps to hold or dressing in place, supports a sprained joint or stop bleeding. Next is triangular bandage. This is a large piece of cloth folded into triangles. It is very useful and can be used in many ways, like making a sling for a broken arm, covering a
Special use and knowing how to use them properly helps us give quick and effective first aid.
As Scouts and Guides, we believe in being prepared, and learning about these bandages is one more step towards being ready to help in anyone in need. Thank you.
Which part of our body? I repeat, in winter, scarves are mainly used to protect and warm which part of our body? Yes, it's that. What is the main reason Scouts and Guides wear scarves? I repeat, what is the main reason Scouts and Guides wear scarves? So the answer is to show unity or identify and discipline. What is the use to hold the scarf in place around the neck? I repeat, what is the use to hold the scarf in place around the neck? That's that. What is significance of 3 sides of scarf triangle? I repeat, what is the significance of thought due to country and others due to self? I repeat, can be used in emergencies? If yes, give example. Yes, that's that. Now, answer this question in true or false and justify your answer. These scarves are only used for fashion.
All the respected teachers on the dais and my dear students. Actually, I don't wanted to talk today. I thought the teachers will speak on my behalf, but again, it came to me only. Okay, first of all, happy World Scarf Day. The scarf, it tells about the discipline and most importantly, to be a strong person. You will keep this in your mind and you will work hard to achieve these goals. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your thoughtful words. Now, to speak few words on this occasion.
Good morning, teachers. First of all, I am very much happy that you have done in a very neat way, no visiting.
Special occasion.
Honesty beats talent if talent is not hardworking. Good morning, Scout and Guides. Good morning, dignitaries present on the dais. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, really, I felt very happy. So, program is going on very smoothly and nicely, especially for the anchors and those who have shared your responsibilities. So, first, happy World Scout Day. And one more thing I want to add here. I saw your achievements like in cooking and Jambu Savari and all. So it should be continuous same in the future also. And one more thing, you maximum children you appeared for Raja Puraskar. It's very useful for your future also. So all the best children. Thank you.
Time to express our gratitude to everyone who made Scarf Day so memorable. To do the honors, we now invite Shreya from grade 10th E and Sanjana from grade 10th D to deliver a vote of thanks.
All for celebrating the World Scout Scarf Day with us today. It's so wonderful to see so many people embracing the spirit of scouting and proudly wearing their scarves. Our participation makes this day special. It's so fantastic to see so many of you here today, united by the spirit of scouting and iconic symbol of our movement, of a scarf. We are gathered here today to celebrate the world
than just a piece of fabric. It represents our commitment to the scarf promise, our dedication to service and our unwavering belief in the power of youth to make positive impact on the world. I want to extend sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us today and for your continued support of Scouting. Your presence here wearing your scarf with pride truly brings the spirit of Scouting to life.
Thank you for being here and for making this day so special. I hope you all have a wonderful time celebrating. Thank you, one and all.
Dignitaries and Scouts and Guides to assemble in PG room as Ravi Teja and Namesh of grade 10 and 9 are presenting a meeting.
On August 1st each year to honor the Global Scout movement and its enduring spirit. On this day, both current and former Scouts are encouraged to wear their scarves, also known as neck kerchiefs, as a visible symbol of their commitment to the Scout promise and its values. The day commemorates the first Scout camp on Brownsea Island in 1907, which is considered the birthplace of the Scouting movement. Now, let's observe a small video regarding World Scout Scarf Day. August 1st, Scouts and Guides all around the world celebrate World Scout Day. Used in emergencies like the sick, bandaged or sick. But more importantly, it serves as a symbol of identity for all Scouts, no matter where they come from around the world for years. It's our way of saying we are proud to be Scouts and we are always prepared to serve. Some Scouts also conduct social services to participate in government of service, but as a symbol of dedication we stand for. We get buried with pride, carry its values in our actions, and continue the legacy that began over a century ago. Thank you and happy World Scout Day. Be prepared to guide it.
For making this occasion more colorful. I request the citizens stand up and speak the promise of I will do my best. To do my duty. To God and my country. To help other people. And to obey the Scout and Guide law. On my honor, I promise that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people, and to obey Scout and Guide law.
Saturdays.